Welcome to Old Grump's Garage. On this episode, we continue work on the 68 Scout pickup truck, and we're going to address the fuel tank and the fuel tank compartment, what's left of it. We're going to rebuild that fuel tank compartment and replace the fuel tank. Stay tuned. Got to go back a little bit further. Doesn't stick up past the fender opening.
Well, it does. I guess it does. It does right now a little bit.
Rob, grab me another set of vice grips off of that cart right there in front of me.
Big set?
Littlest
Flat set.
and the flat set. inside panel is a little bit out of shape. That looks better already, don't it? Another pair of vice grips. Yeah. Close to the head. I'm pretty sure that inside panel has got pulled out of place.
Sure what?
Pretty sure that inside panel has got pulled out of place. It's like that.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm guessing I can put that bottom plate in where I've got it.
Does it need, can it come up some?
It can, but if it does, then do I make a place where the gas tank won't go in? See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I mean, it's lining up on this corner. So, and all those folds are lining up flat even with that inner panel.
Right.
So it seems to me that's where it belongs. All right, I'm gonna take the lid off. Start welding some stuff in place. We were thinking we had a problem, and we were thinking it was us. Come to find out, the shipping company had bent that piece and it wasn't lining up because the piece was bent, not because we were doing something wrong. We interrupt this program to ask you to take a moment and like the video and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It'll really help us maintain the channel and continue to provide you content that you find interesting to help you along your way as you're restoring square bodies and other old Chevrolet pickup trucks. And it continues to grow our community. Thank you for your support, and we now return you to your regularly scheduled program.
We'll stop.
I'm going to read. I know that man, y'all want to witness this.
That may, you don't know if it's gonna go forward or backwards. It rolls.
Stop. That's pulling it off the jack. Look at that. That's pulling it off the jack stand. Oops, there we go. We're in, set it down. That was all the dog needed right there. All right. It's gonna fight us till it's done, ain't it?
But now that thing didn't go on, like, not going on further. That was like, all I'm doing is going on. Pretty close.
I cannot see any holes lining up. What do you think? That's gotta help, right? I'm still against them, but somewhat better. I cannot see both. There they are. Alright, now I can see both holes. Alright, so we have rebuilt the entire compartment where the fuel tank sits. And we've got a new fuel tank installed. And there's the rock guard bolted in over it. We couldn't get the old seal, so we split some fuel line to put down there so it doesn't rub. And there is the new fuel line running down to the steel line on the frame.